simple life. It's called Bakukang. This is our farm dog. Her name is Sutsu. Stress relieving. And this one is our native pig. That is Lakatan. And abundant. Mabuti pang sabi may puso. Explore. Seeking an ending adventure. Expose. Embracing the beauty of nature. And experience. Trying something different. Patronizing, unique, and something special. A farm is an area of land devoted primarily to agricultural processes with the primary objective of producing food. Aside from food, farm has also gazillion beneficial contributions such as physical outdoor activities like pasturing animals, planting and harvesting crops, and it is also a good place for relaxation. What's up, travel buddies? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will tour you to our farm. Okay, this time I will show you our cattle. We have 2 cattle and 1 cow. This one is called Bakukang. It's a combination of Baka and Bakukang because it's a bow-leg cattle. And I will show you the mother cow. That is the mother cow. I called her Bami. It's a combination of Baka and Mami simply because she's the mother cow. And this is our native pig. It's a sow and it has 13 piglets. Later, I will show you its piglets. Okay, presenting our pigs. They are 13, but now they are 12. Kasi nilitsyo namin yung isa. This is our farm dog. Her name is Sutsu. Hello, Sutsu. Hello, Kikoy. Kikoy. That is our chicken. Very fantastic. And this is our very hard-working Carabao. Ito yung ginagamit namin kapag nag-iigib si Papa ng tubig, panglinis sa kulungan ng baboy. Hi! Welcome to our Bahay Kubo. Let's get inside. Naiintriga ba kayo kung ano yung laman ng aming munting Bahay Kubo? I will show you some. We have here king crab. I think it's the cheapest sardines in the market. We have here Nescafe. We have here great taste. We also have here paksiw, a fish paksiw. We have here also sugar, a bottle of sugar. Anchovy, ginamos. Meron kaming gas. In case na dito kami matutulog, we have gas. We have cooking oil. vinegar, toyo, perfect for adobo. And yung sa loob ng sa kwarto, it's where the feeds, the corn, mga yung kinakain ng mga manok, it's where we place there. I will show you our very friendly cat. Look at her. Her name is Minkai. Every night she's out finding mouses for food. Look at her. Very cute. As cute as me. So, this is the new area where we planted our bananas, palcatas, and a small portion of sweet potatoes, corn, and peanuts. Because it's home quarantine, nagawa namin magtanim ng kamote. The color of these sweet potatoes are violets and yellow. Palcata tree. Tadang! Ito yung taniman namin ng mani. I think it's almost a month na. And Mama told me that approximately 3 to 4 months pwede na itong harvestin the newly sprout yellow corn. And welcome to the area of sweet potatoes. Approximately mga isang buwan po. We need to have 5 months before we harvest the sweet potatoes. That is Lakatan. Hello, and this is our small banana plantation, and I am holding now banana blossom. And in our vernacular, we call this puso or puso ng saging. Mabuti pa ang saging may puso. And that's the end of our farm tour part 1. See you in our part 2. Bahay kubo kahit munti.